I'm about to show you how to make the easiest and most flavorful baked chicken you can make. All right, and so this is why I like going to Food Line, guys, because you can get the manager special for $3.18. You see what I'm saying? And this is a 4-pack of chicken thighs, something easy and smooth and quick you can do on a weeknight for your family or for friends or for yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing this after a workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some salt on this. You gotta clean your chicken, guys. I'm sorry people say don't clean it, but you know, we don't know what happened to this chicken before it went to the pack. So we don't wanna just put anything in our mouth or in our body. So we put some salt on there, and then we're gonna go in with some vinegar, right? And then make sure anything you touch after you touch raw chicken that you sanitize it. Use sanitizing wipes or some soap and water to get it clean, so you don't want to carry salmonella anywhere where you gotta go. So we're just gonna rub these in with the salt and vinegar and get all of whatever gunk or junk might be off of them. And then we're gonna take our scissors and cut off any excess skin, any giblets, any gizzards, anything like that that can be on this particular chicken. And if you like these chef tips, guys, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. We got a whole bunch of content here. We got podcast content, we got cooking show content, we got recipes, we got restaurants. So just go ahead and like and subscribe as I clean this chicken with some water. And another tip I'm gonna give you is when you're using your pan, go ahead and throw some foil down on there. So when the chicken comes out of the oven, all you gotta do is throw the foil away. You don't have to worry about washing the pan, because it won't be no chicken or grease or nothing on it, right? So we're gonna put some Italian seasoning down. What that's gonna do is do two things. It's gonna add flavor, but it's also gonna keep the chicken from sticking to the foil when we put it in the oven. All right. All right, so you wanna peel the skin back. This is a very important step. This is why a lot of people have flavor on the outside of their chicken, but no flavor on the inside. So we're gonna peel the skin back. We're gonna put a little bit of Italian dressing on there. And you can use whatever marinade you like in the inside, but I just like Italian dressing. I just feel like it gives it a good acidity to your dish, and it allows it to soak in all the seasonings that we're gonna put inside here, right? And we're gonna do a different seasoning inside of the chicken than the outside for different flavor, but also for a different reason. And I'll describe that later if you keep watching. All right, so now that we got Italian seasoning all on the chicken, we're going to put a little bit on the skin as well, because you know when the skin bakes in the oven, it's going to give it a little bit of crispiness. That oil is going to give some crispiness. So we're going with the salt, then we go pepper, and guys, I call this like you know, saying like my base seasoning. Like if I'm doing chicken, steak, salmon. You know, anything basic where I'm not doing like an Indian or jerk or something like that. This is like your base seasoning. So we got pepper, we got garlic powder, got onion powder, and then Italian seasoning. And then we just put the seasoning right back, the skin right back on top, and then lock all those seasonings into that meat. And don't let me forget the salt-free seasoning, guys. This is very important because it involves so much flavor. It has lemon peel, it has orange peel, it has so many, and it doesn't have any salt, so you don't have to worry about over seasoning your food, right? And then you put the skin right back on top. All right, now we're going with some lime pepper on the skin, right? And it's going to add a little bit more acidity, but it's also going to add like that good salty flavor. And this has so many things in it, so you don't have to add all of those different seasons that we just put on the meat. You just do the lime pepper and some paprika. Paprika is going to give it a nice little smoky flavor, but also give it some color, so it looks real pretty when it comes out the oven. Then we just flip it on the other side, season it with the same Holy Five, the salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and then it's a little bit of paprika, and then we stick it in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. I like to have skin side down because I want to see the color as it's coming out. So when it browns on that side, then we just flip it, and you see it's already getting kind of pretty. halfway through. This is about 20 minutes through, 20 to 25 minutes, depending on, you know, your oven. You have to just kind of watch it. And then, boom, we flip it over. Stick it back in the oven. And then let it roast back up for another 20 minutes. Now we ready to rock and roll. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Got the beautiful brown color. It's not burned. It's not overcooked. It's crispy skin. Like I said, that oil from the Italian dressing has got the skin to crisp up. And these guys are beautiful and flavorful, ready to serve. Now watch when you cut into it. You listen to that. Listen to how juicy it is. You can just hear the juice. And then look at it. Look at how juicy that is, guys. Beautiful. And the flavor, oh my goodness. Like, I can't even, I mean, for something so simple, so easy, so quick to do, I mean, it's just amazing. You wouldn't know you wasn't in a restaurant. Just beautiful, delicious, moist, juicy, tender chicken. Make sure you like and subscribe.